this week on Depressionist. And it's a big pipe right there. What a mess. You know what I'm saying?
There was a time my house was neat and so was I was thinner back then. I would go out with my friends, but somehow that's gone bye-bye. Now I look around, there are piles strewn about. Is this dirty or clean? I'm finding out what it means. This is not just a house, it's a depressionist. I don't know how I got here. Depressionist, I don't know where to start. Depressionist, caving in on me. My life is simply falling apart. Depressionist.
Not the TV up. Does it look centered? It's centered enough. It's enough. Yay! And like, because I had to put this thing on the side, you know, I'm gonna just have my curtains come over a little further to like camouflage that. I think that's gonna be my plan. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to figure out the electrical. So apparently these cards are the size of the holes that I need to cut. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere here-ish. And this is in between studs, so it shouldn't be bad. I already know there's gonna be a day when I leave this TV out and I'm not paying attention and I doodly do ga slow motion. You know what I'm saying? In the morning, the TV goes to the wall. At night, the TV comes out towards the bed. That's what I'm thinking. Cut 2 holes on the wall. Get the top hole in desired location. Bottom hole.
2 halves can't make a hole without a hole. Giggity, 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 giggity.
Below the top hole, close to an existing outlet. Leave the power cable through the top hole and the bottom hole.
Giggity, giggity.
How am I gonna, if there's like insulation and stuff in here, how am I gonna like get it to go? What? I don't know if y'all remember another time when I tried to use the oscillating tool. Didn't go so great, but I'm not a quitter. I think it's time we give it another go. Let's do it. Okay, hold on. Holds on. Do I even have it on right? I don't think I do. Hold on. So it's kind of like at a little angle. Is that good? I don't think I got it on right. Oh wait, yes I do. The dustpan. Wait, how am I gonna use the dustpan? I need 2 hands. Okay, hold on. Sometimes you gotta be a little inventive. Just make up stuff, you know what I'm saying? I want to like do like this. Should I be doing like this? I probably should have on eye protection. I wonder if I could go like down. Yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted like a smooth cut. Oh. See, it is a whole bunch of shit in here. And it's a big pipe right there. What if that's what I drilled into? Okay, no, it's a metal stud. Ooh, child. That was scary. Oh, wait. That pipe is gonna make it hard for me to put my thing in there.
Giggity, 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 giggity.
I don't think I can put it right there. Oh, man. Does it go this way? No, it goes this way. Oh, yeah. No. Not at all. Not at all. I'm gonna have to come over. Watch it be another pipe right here. Yeah, I pretty much need eye protection at this point. Okay. Oh, y'all didn't see none of that, huh? Sorry. I cut a hole down there. I am so good at this. Oh my gosh. Push the power cable through the top hole and the bottom hole. Hey y'all. I'm still not used to the noise. Cause why is you creaking and cracking? Okay y'all, so I'm back behind the television and I'm gonna show y'all in a second, but I had put a little coat of joint compound, this right here, spackling on the wall. I'm gonna go back in with a bigger knife and do it again and then let that dry. So one thing I have learned is whenever you have spackling or you just patched a hole and you put new joint compound over it or what have you, prime that little spot with that new joint compound, prime that little spot. You know how sometimes you will go over somebody's house or in somebody's business and they will have like, you know, the walls are great, and then they got one area that looks crackly or that looks like it's peeling or something like that. A lot of times it's that area that they haven't primed. The rest of the room may be primed, but that one area, they ain't do that. That's a little Tracy tip. Right there. Prime it first, ho. Y'all will never believe, since I've been working behind this television, how many times I've been like, oh, let me da 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 da. And then I get up. I've hit my head right here. First of all, that was hilarious because I haven't hit my head in a long time. And I was cracking up because I was literally just standing here like doing the Peter Griffin, like, ah, ah, ah. But then 2 other times I was standing up and I hit like my back or my shoulders. Like, I'm just not used to having a TV that swings open like this. I have realized that I am clumsy now. Like, I think that's part of my perimenopausal like symptoms. I don't have hot flashes yet. I still sleep with a heating pad and a heating blanket, but I cannot stand up straight. I hurt my wrist. I don't know how. I woke up with a hurt wrist. Listen, somebody that was in gymnastics, cheer, dance, like all the things, to not have no coordination is crazy. I am so proud of my this shit ain't going nowhere, y'all. This not going nowhere. I am so proud of it. And I done bumped my head, done bumped my body, done ran into this thing about 3-4 times now, and it's still up there. So I don't know if I did the best thing here because I mixed a shellac primer with a water-based paint. So we're gonna see. It seems to be covering well. Child, I hope that don't start separating. Looks very sketchy, but that's our primer. And we're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna come back, paint it. I'm gonna sand it with the soft sander. Maybe I should put a little bit on here too. Just a smidge. This is crazy. Like, yeah, this appears to be tape. You're welcome. I use cling wrap for brushes and stuff like that where you really have to lock the air out, you know? So I'll use cling wrap for that. But to protect my surfaces, like on a paint tray or anything like that, I will use press and seal. I don't know if y'all can see this, but press and seal, it sticks to the surface that you want it to stick to, and it protects. Like, I mixed the paint up in here, and then when I'm finished, I'm gonna just take this off, and then, you know, nothing's on the tray. Now, this is a used tray, but if it was a clean tray, the tray would still be clean. You see what I'm saying? So, press and seal. That's a Tracy tip. That's a Tracy tip. Y'all, I did my big one on this. Y'all should have saw me trying to feed this wire down there. What a mess. I mean, y'all will see it on the YouTube when I edit this video. Yeah. I'm proud of myself on this one, because I really didn't know what the hell I was doing. With that being said, thank y'all so much for watching. It has been a time, all right? But we did it. We got there, all right? I feel so pleased with the progression of the room right now. I feel like we're actually getting things done. So thank y'all for watching. If you want to become one of my depressiest besties, yeah, all you got to do is subscribe. All you got to do is like this video. Go ahead and like it right now. I'll wait. Because you had a good time. You chuckled at least 2 times. I know you did. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. Okay? So that you could be notified whenever I post random stuff, because Y'all know I got ADHD. ADHD! So that's it for this week, y'all. As always, if you have depression, you are not alone. You are definitely not alone. Y'all gotta stay tuned because next week, we're somehow gonna build a fireplace. Yeah, so that's happening next week. But in order to stay tuned, you have to what? That's right, stay here. Love y'all down, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye. See all this dust? Fold that up. Let me tell you how to roll you a dust blunt. You know what I'm talking about? Can y'all tell I've never done this. This is what they be doing. This is how they look. Yeah. Y'all, when I tell you I came in here and scrimped, I scrimped. Okay, because down here, it looks like a mouse or something, like just chilling, laying there. I still haven't gotten too close, but I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Y'all see that? Even when you get closer, it still look like, yeah, that's something. And so because it was like so much stuff on the ground around it, I was like, oh, that little f***er like burrowed his way out and then got right there and died. But it just seems to be something, paper, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I had scrimped real bad and ran. I scrimped and ran. Scrumped. I'm putting the remote right here. Now y'all know I'm gonna be like, I lost that remote. I'm putting the remote on top of the thing right here. Matter of fact, let me put it up like this. Then I couldn't do nothing but laugh because when the last time you bump your head? Why would I bump my head? That's ridiculous.